I'm at the MSI suite at CES 2023, and we have a wall of motherboards here. So let me show you 3 brand new ones by MSI. Look at how small this nice little one is. So this is the MPG B760i Edge Wi-Fi. It does have 2 DDR4 DIMMs right here, and look at the cooling for the VRMs. This is actually nice white color. I'm a big fan of this. It does cost a bit more when you're shrinking everything down for this form factor, but there are a lot of people that really like smaller systems. And you have plenty of I/O as well. Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gig LAN, USB Type-C for fast transfer speeds, and of course the HDMI and DisplayPort on board as well. So very nice small form factor micro ATX motherboard. We have here the MAG B760 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. This is a very popular line, the Tomahawk, and the DDR5 here is rated to go to 7,000 megahertz. So if you populate all 4, you may or may not be able to make that depending on the quality of your RAM and if it's Tuesday or not. But single DIMMs, you should be able to hit that no problem. I've been showing motherboards at the MSI suite at CES 2023. There's one more, the mortar, that I want to show you. This is actually a sleek looking design. I like the color scheme. So this is the MAG B760M mortar Max Wi-Fi. The DDR here is DDR5, and it will go to 7,000 megahertz. Now you'll get that most likely with 1 DIMM. If you have really good RAM, maybe you'll hit it with all 4. Really depends on the day. This does have 2.5 gig LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, so plenty of I/O. Not too bad. I do like this look as well. A benefit of the Mortar Max is that it allows for kind of an old school version of overclocking. I'm not going to get into it too much, but for this style of Intel processors, they kind of limit what you can do, but this kind of unlocks that old school way now. So it will allow you to overclock the processor, but then other things on the motherboard kind of get overclocked as well. So pluses and minuses to that.